In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to install the Claude app on your Windows computer, starting right from your dashboard. Having the app means you can reach Claude straight from your taskbar without having to dig through your browser tabs. Let's get started. Now, you might be wondering what the app gives you that the browser doesn't. It's a great question, because a few handy things open up once you're in the app. First, Claude is always within reach. It sits right in your taskbar, and you can set up a keyboard shortcut to pull it up from any app without switching windows. Second, you can drag and drop files straight from your computer into the chat. There's no uploading step needed. Third, the app supports desktop extensions, which lets Claude connect your local files and apps for more hands-on help. And if you're on a paid plan, there's even more. The desktop has Claude Cowork and Claude Code built right in. Cowork is a workspace where Claude can take on bigger, multi-step tasks for you, and Claude Code helps with hands-on coding, both right inside the app, with nothing extra to install. On top of that, everything syncs across your devices, so a conversation you start on the web or your phone will be right here waiting for you, and the other way around too. Now, let me show you how to install the Claude app. We'll start on the Claude dashboard, already signed in. From here, the first step is to head over to the download page. You can find it through the menu, or you can simply go to claude.com/download in your browser. On the download page, you'll see options for Windows, Mac, and other mobile apps. Since I'm on Windows, I'll choose Windows download. It's important to download only from this official page so you know you're getting the real, safe version. Once the file finishes downloading, open it to start the installer. On Windows, you can just run the installer and let it do its thing. It only takes a moment to finish. Now let's open the app. On Windows, you'll find Claude in your Start menu. Open it up and sign in with the same account you're already using on the web. And that's it! Claude is now installed and ready to go. And if you'd like Claude on your phone as well, it's just as easy. Open Google Play on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Claude, tap Install, and sign in. Then you've got Claude in your pocket wherever you go. And you're all set! With the app installed, Claude is always a click away, with extra tools the browser doesn't have, ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.